So now that we have our clips imported, I want to talk a little bit about the media bin, the things that you can do to customize this to make it a little bit more easier so you don't have to scroll over and all that good stuff. You can have a tiled view like this, but it's kind of unorganized and kind of not how I think because there's just too much content. Or you can have a list view like this. This is my preferred way to look at the media bin. But also you can order and customize these columns. For my purposes and the way that I work, I really don't need a lot of these. The thing that's important to me is the camera angle, the name of the clip, and maybe even the camera name. But most important, especially when working with GoPros, is content created date. The naming convention that GoPro uses to name their clips does not conform to any kind of chronological order. So what you have to do is you have to always make sure that these guys are sorted correctly. As you saw, if you sort it by name, these dates are and times are out of order. So you always have to do this before you make a compound clip. But let's sort of declutter what our columns are. So the way that you customize this is you just right click on any one of these column headers and then you can take away or add whatever you want. See, and you don't have to be over, obviously with this interface here, you don't have to be on the column to click. It's just a habit. I don't need notes. I don't need the video roll. Don't need that. And for now, let's see. I don't really care about the camera name, to be honest with you, because the name of the clip, the way that I'm going to name this, is going to solve that for us. So let's see what we've got now. Okay, that's pretty concise. I think the first thing that I always like is to have the camera angle right after the name, then content created date, and then media duration. And I hardly even need this media duration. We'll talk more about the camera angle because that's going to be very important when we go to stack all 5 cameras together and make our multi-cam clips. And you'll probably want to save this column set up. Right click, save column set as, and you can say my column set. And there you go.